Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Petitenget Street on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Seminyak area on Petitenget Street, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Petitenget Street. If we see together, the weather today is not so clear because it's been cloudy this week. But I just want to show you how like the condition, currently the situation right there at the moment during the pandemic corona on October 2021. As we know together, destination for tourism is already open in Bali since 17th of September. So that's why there is a lot of domestic tourism come to Bali to make vacation. But if you see on the street, this is still look very quiet. Look like not so many people come to Bali. Yeah, I know there is some activity like shop already open, restaurant, cafe, but the visitors are not so busy yet. Okay guys, you see left side and right side, there is a lot of car parked in this area. Actually, I'm gonna say like this month is much better than last month because this month is already more tourism come to Bali and they make vacation. You see left side, there is the tourists on the sidewalk. I'm really happy to see that. And also on the road, this look busier. Lots of motorbike and car drive around in this area. As our government planning will be reopen the border in Bali on 14th of October. So that's why there is a lot of hotel, restaurant, the shop, they just doing prepare before the border is open. Actually, I already explored this area in last month, so you can compare how the different the situation in September and October this month. And on this month, I see there is a lot of taxi drive around on the road. So it means like there is a lot the tourists domestic they come to Bali to make vacation on this month. Petitenget Street is very famous street actually in Seminyak area because in this area there is a lot of hotels and also in this street there is big night bar we call Petitenget and also big hotel we call W. So that's why in this area is very famous. And as I told you, in this area there is a lot of hotel and shop, also restaurants. That's why before the pandemic corona, usually in this area is very busy for the people walk around on the sidewalk. But I believe starting from the next year, Bali will be getting better and better because in this month, as I told you, our government will be reopen the border international. So Bali will step by step getting better and getting busy. If you see on the video, there is some shop and restaurant is already open. I'm really happy to see that. You see the right side? Yeah, there is the enter to go to W hotels. And exactly beside the W hotels, there is nightclub we call Petitenget. It's very famous. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel because you already subscribed to my channel. Oh, you see at the front, right side and left side, there is the taxi parking beside the road. It's good. It is really much better than last month. I'm really happy to see that. I know this is still very quiet, but much better now. You see on this area? It looks busy, isn't it? That is good. I'm really happy to see that. And some people walk around on the sidewalk. Wow, it's good news for Bali actually. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people missing this area for sure. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali area during the pandemic corona. You see the right side? There is the village temple. And behind this village temple, there is Petitenget Beach, also very famous. Actually, in the left side in this area, there is a lot villa. And at the front, right side, there is the gate in to go to Petitenget Beach. And now we turn left, because we will explore Kayu Jati Street. How the situation at the moment in Kayu Jati Street. Okay, now we continue driving to Kayu Jati Street. As we know together, in Kayu Jati Street, there is one very famous cafe we call Mexicola. You can see left side, there is Mexicola. It's always busy in the night time before the pandemic corona. It's very famous for domestic tourism and international tourism. Oh, look at that, that is a taxi. I'm really happy to see that. And hotel left side, there's full of cars. That's good. Yeah, the weather today is not so clear. I mean, a bit cloudy. But I'm really happy because on the road there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around. It's really much better than last month. Big hotel right side. Oh, some people on the sidewalk. That's a tourist. I'm really happy to see that. That's good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on Petitenget Street and Kayu Jati Street. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.